Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Git version control on your computer. Alright, let's go to Google and at first let us learn what is Git. Okay, so I navigate to Google, double click here, and I just write Git. Okay, remember, Git and GitHub are not the same. Okay, Git is a version control where we can manage our files, folders, and our project. On the other hand, GitHub is a web application or website where we can push our programs or codes and store over there and also deploy our codes or website or web application. Okay, so I just write Git and go to Google just to check what is Git. Git is a distributed version control system for tracking changes in a source code during software development. It is designed for coordinating work among programmers or developers, but it can be used to track changes in any set of files. Okay, its goals include speed, data integrity, and support distributed nonlinear workflows. Okay, now to work with Git technology, it's a software and also technology. What do we have to do? We have to download Git. Okay, so what I am doing, I just write Git for Windows. Okay, then just hit enter. All right, then click Git download, or I can directly go to Git for Windows. Okay, whatever you choose, and click on download. Directly it will download the software into the download section of our computer. All right, it might take 10 to 15 seconds, sometimes 20 to 30 seconds, definitely depending on your internet connection, speed of your computer. All right, I think it has been downloaded. Now just click here and click on folder, show in folder, and Git is not yet downloaded. Anyway, I have another Git, the latest version, that is Git 2.2.5.0. Okay, now we can wait for this one, or we can just double click here. Okay, then just check it. What does it say? It says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, to your computer? I'll say yes, because I want to install it in my computer. Then I just go to next, and I can check it's going where, to C colon backward slash program files slash git. It's going to program files, but actually we can change it here too, but it's not necessary. So I just go to next, and I'm telling to send it to C slash program files. Okay, and it already exists over there, but I want to install it in any way. Okay, just click on next. Then on the desktop I want it to be shown so that I can directly go from my desktop folder also. Then click on next, again next. Then I will choose rather not use Vim, rather I will choose use Visual Studio Code as Git default editor. Okay, because we are using Visual Studio Code as our code editor, or IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Then just click on next. Then I will take this one as it is recommended. Okay, just check here. Then click on next. Then either you can use this one. Service certificates will be validated using CA bundle, or you can choose this one. Whatever you want, you can choose either or. Okay, then just click on next. Then which one do you want to prefer? Checkout as is, commit as is, or checkout as is, commit unique style. I want checkout to be Windows style, so I'll keep it. Okay, next. Then I'll choose this one, or you can also use this one too. Okay, I just keep the default terminal. Okay, next. And I want both of this: enable file system caching and enable Git credential manager. Okay, click on install, and Git is being installed on our computer. Once it is installed, we can access to our Git from here. Okay, just write Git and it will show you Git bash once it is installed. Okay, or you can also go to your um, desktop. Since we check the desktop option to be visible on our desktop of our computer, it will be visible somewhere where we can just double click and open the Git. Okay, so we have to wait until it is completely installed on our computer. It might take a couple of seconds more. Okay, please wait while setup installs Git on your computer. All right, we are done. Do you want to launch it? No, we don't want to launch it. Just click on next, and the Git bash is here. Okay, so you can double click here, or what we can do, we can just type here Git, and Git bash is already here. Double click here or press enter, it will open here. Okay, now what we can do, okay, we can just make it a little bigger. You can just click here too. Okay, and just press Ctrl and plus to make it bigger, or Ctrl minus to make it smaller. Okay, then just write cd space and go to desktop. Okay, now we are on desktop of our computer. Then what we can do, just write dir is a command, means make directory. We can create a directory. means we can create a folder. Folder is web dev 2020. Okay, then we can change directory, means we can go to the folder that we have just created, that is web dev 2020, and we are inside the folder web dev right now. And now inside this folder, if you just write a command ls, means show list, we will find there is nothing inside this folder because we haven't created any file. So what we can do, we can create a new file with a command that is touch means create, and say index.css. Okay, and we can create another file, new file, that is index.html. And now if we check ls, means show list, and we will find we have now two new file we have just created. Then just clear the window, just write clear and press enter, and it has been cleared. Okay, that's all for today, and in the next lesson we will uh, learn how we can um, integrate Git and GitHub and work together using Git technology and GitHub web application.